Imagine a world where reality is not fixed, but fluid and malleable, subject to the influence of our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. Welcome to the world of Reality Transurfing, a philosophical self-help system crafted by the insightful Russian author Vadim Zeland. Reality Transurfing is not merely a philosophy, it's an expansive approach to understanding and navigating the vast ocean of our reality. It sings the song of a universe where you, as an individual, hold the power to shape your own destiny. Now let's delve into the fascinating concepts that make this system so unique. Picture this, an alternative space, a realm brimming with countless potential realities that exist simultaneously. Imagine each of these realities as a film strip, each with its own story, its own possibilities. Your thoughts, your beliefs, your intentions, they're the projectors that can bring these film strips to life, manifesting the reality you desire. But what about the world around us? The societal norms, the expectations, the influences. Here, Zeland introduces us to pendulums. These are energetic structures or social forces that sway us, nudging us to conform to group norms or expectations. They are the invisible strings that often control our actions, our decisions, our lives. But what if we could break free? By becoming aware of these pendulums and learning to detach from their influence, we regain control. We can consciously create the reality we desire, navigating the alternative space with the compass of our intention. The fluid nature of reality, as proposed by Reality Transurfing, is not about denying the world around us, but understanding that we are not mere spectators. We are active participants, capable of influencing and shaping the reality we inhabit. So, take a moment to ponder over the power that lies within you. Consider the potential benefits of this approach, the possibility of a life where you're not just going with the flow, but directing it. A life where you're not just dreaming, but creating. Now consider the potential benefit of this approach, the power to shape your own destiny. What if you could exert greater control over your circumstances, reducing stress and anxiety in your life? This is the promise of Reality Transurfing, a comprehensive philosophical system that offers a myriad of benefits for those willing to immerse themselves in its teachings. At the heart of this transformative approach is the notion of gaining greater control over your reality. Transurfing posits that reality is not a fixed entity, but a fluid construct, subject to the influence of our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. By aligning these elements with your desired outcomes, you can create a life that is more intentional, fulfilling, and in harmony with your true self. But the benefits of Reality Transurfing extend beyond mere control. It also offers tools to manage your emotions effectively, reducing stress and anxiety. Techniques like outer intention and indifference help maintain a positive mindset, fostering emotional well-being and resilience. It's like having a compass in the stormy seas of life, guiding you towards tranquility amidst the chaos. Improved decision-making is another key advantage of this system. By understanding balancing forces and learning to navigate the alternative space, you're equipped with the ability to make better choices. No longer do you need to feel overwhelmed by life's crossroads. Instead, you can confidently choose paths that align with your goals and values. Then there's the boon of enhanced creativity and innovation. Reality Transurfing encourages you to break free from limiting beliefs and societal norms, giving you the freedom to explore new possibilities. It's like a key, unlocking the door to your imagination, allowing you to usher in fresh ideas and creative breakthroughs. And let's not forget the increase in self-confidence. As you gain a deeper understanding of your power to shape reality, you develop greater faith in your abilities. This newfound confidence can empower you to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals, leading to a sense of fulfillment and empowerment. Finally, Reality Transurfing can improve your relationships. By recognizing the influence of pendulums and learning to detach from their energy, you become less reactive and more empathetic, fostering healthier and more harmonious interactions with others. Imagine a life where your thoughts, beliefs, and actions are aligned with your desired outcomes, leading to a more intentional and fulfilling existence. Intrigued by the concept of Reality Transurfing, ready to try it out for yourself? Let's delve into how you can start implementing this philosophy in your everyday life. Firstly, understand the concept of outer intention. This is not about forcing your will onto the world, but rather allowing your desires to manifest naturally. Think of it as planting a seed. You don't need to pull it up to make it grow. You simply provide the right conditions and it will flourish on its own. Similarly, your intentions don't need to be forced. They just need to be nurtured with positivity and patience. Next, consider the principle of indifference. This doesn't mean being aloof or uncaring, but rather maintaining a balanced emotional state. It's about not allowing your happiness to hinge on specific outcomes. By practicing indifference, you cultivate an inner peace that is not easily shaken by external circumstances. Remember, it's not about suppressing emotions, but rather about not letting them control you. Now let's talk about the alternative space. This represents the myriad of potential realities that exist. It's like a vast ocean of possibilities. To navigate this space, you need to be aware of your desires, beliefs, and intentions. You'll find that as you align these three elements, you naturally gravitate towards the reality that best suits your aspirations. While exploring the alternative space, always make decisions that align with your goals and values. This might mean stepping outside of your comfort zone or challenging societal norms. But remember, you are the captain of your ship. It's your journey, and you have the power to chart your own course. Finally, practice detachment from pendulums. These are societal and energetic forces that can influence our actions and thoughts. By consciously choosing to not be swayed by them, you regain control over your life and steer it according to your desires. Remember, reality transurfing is not just a philosophy, but a practical approach to living a more intentional and fulfilling life. So take the helm and set sail towards your desired reality. The journey is yours to make. As you embark on this journey of reality transurfing, remember that you are not alone. This path is as unique as every individual who walks it, and your experiences can serve as a beacon for others. Each tale of triumph over the sway of pendulums, of newfound control over one's destiny, and of the realization of intentions is a testament to the power of reality transurfing. Sharing these experiences can create a ripple effect, inspiring others to take the reins of their realities. Just as you learn from the wisdom of Vadim Zeland and the principles of reality transurfing, so too can others learn from you. This is the beauty of a community of practitioners, a collective seeking to shape their realities, supporting and learning from one another. So are you ready to start shaping your reality? The power lies within you.